Welcome to my channel Views on Air. Today I'm going to give you information about the COVID-19 app that is released by Google and Apple together on 20th May 2020 in 23 countries. The rest of the countries will be covered later. This app is the collaboration of both big companies Google and Apple and is going to help to track the people who are affected with the coronavirus or have chance to be infected. The work of the app is to discover if you are nearby someone who was or is affected with the coronavirus. Now come towards the functionality of the app. This app is going to connect with each other via Bluetooth. As we know that Bluetooth devices can connect about the radius of 10 meters, and people are going to connect with each other if they are in that radius. In this picture, we can see that we have the radius of 10 meters and there are 10 people inside that radius and they are connected with each other. If any of them is a coronavirus patient, then all the other people are going to get the alert on their phone that they are probably nearby someone who is a coronavirus patient. And this information will come from the health authorities database. This app is going to be installed in your mobile phone automatically when you upgrade the firmware of your mobile phone. For example, Google has Android and Apple has iOS. So when you update your phone, this app is going to be installed. But remember, you still have to give a consent to use this app. If you don't give a consent, then this app is not going to be active in your mobile phone. The last but not least is there is a chance that the app is going to hurt your privacy since the Bluetooth is going to connect with random devices around. The answer may be there is a slight chance, but it is almost to none. However, it is worth to protect you, your family and other people's health instead of thinking about privacy and data. If you are alive, you will have a life. You will have each and everything, your privacy. But if you are dead, then there is nothing left. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel.